Hello, hello, hello. Welcome to a Gimp tutorial on how to create a retro effect. First things first, if you guys just want to leave a like and comment down below for me for the algorithm, then I'd really appreciate it. And then the next thing that you're going to want to go ahead and do is the first thing that I would like to do to create a retro effect on Gimp is I could go to my colors, then I could go to my saturation. And if you turn your saturation all the way down, it actually can turn the picture black and white. So I'll just turn it all the way down. Now I can add my black and white to my picture. Now if I go to my effects, I can maybe up my shadows too a little bit. Maybe add a vignette, and then I can add one of those. Oh, okay. So it wanted to lag a little bit. We'll go ahead and try to fix that again. So as you see, maybe I can add a vignette. I can turn down the radius. I can up the radius. Maybe I'll turn up the softness of it. You could change the gamma, the proportion, that kind of stuff. Maybe I'll widen the squeeze. Maybe just have the edges be kind of darker. Another thing that you could do is you could go back to your filters. Maybe add a little bit of noise. Give it time to load in. My computer's being a little bit weird right now. I think it's because I have Tarkov open. I forgot to close it before I started doing this. And as you see, now it's really kind of getting sort of that old-timey effect. And then now it looks like I took this picture in like the 1950s or something. If you guys have any questions, comments, or concerns, make sure to go ahead and leave them down below. But other than that, it's been a GIMP tutorial. Thank you guys so much for watching. Have a wonderful day.